Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth and today I'll be showing you how to create a yellow note in a file and send it to the concerned person. Let's open eOffice. Put in your email ID, your computer password, click on login, file management system, click on the file that you want to work on. I had created one yellow note earlier, I'm discarding it. This is the file. We would have to create a new yellow note. Let's say I write submitted for approval and click on submit. As you already know that a yellow note can always be deleted by the person who has created it. Like this option is coming for discarding this particular yellow note, or maybe the another person in the loop to whom the file is sent. Let's try to send this file to someone and then I'll show you how to delete this yellow note by the next higher authority also. Let's send it to Mr. Vasa Mahajan. Click on send. Now this file would be visible in my sent folder. This file has been sent to Mr. Vasa, right? Now I'll log out and log in with Vasa's account. Click on file management system. The file is visible in Vasa's inbox, right? Click on this file. This was the yellow note that I had created using my account, and either I can edit this yellow note or maybe discard it. So I'll try to discard it. And there's nowhere, the yellow note that I had created is nowhere visible in this file now. I'll again try to create another yellow note. Change, make the changes as discussed. And I'll again send the file back to Siddharth. Send. Now, this particular file would be visible in Vasav's sent folder. Sent folder, this is the file. I'll again show it to you in my account, whether I've received it or not. I'll again log in to my account. Click on file management system. File is here. Now I can also discard this yellow note. Thank you.